Salam viewers, how are you? In this video, I am going to tell you how to fill all non-refillable pilot VCs. So this video is going to be so interesting for all of you who want to do that. So watch till the end. For that, to avoid any kind of untidiness, I took a white blank paper. This is my empty V10 Rt on which our experiment begins. So now comes the first step. This is our first step. This is that empty one and the V1 on the other side. V1 are the very great pens and they are available in plenty in Pakistan. So you can easily take it, it's saying, okay, take it out and place its refill inside the V7 and you will see we can try it. Now check. It's so simplest and easiest step as in front of you. Okay, I hope you'll like it. Now this is the second but most interesting method. If you still want the needle tip or point of the V series instead of conical tip of V balls, for that you need a plier. Put the refills out of the pens and simply with the help of pliers remove their upper parts or nose cones of the refills from them. We have seen this, okay, and in the same way the other one of the V ball. Simply what you have to do is simply place the V tecpoint nose cones or upper parts over the V ball series and your refills will be ready. You will see after some time when the flow becomes normal, you will start writing in just a minute, then you start to write fluently. So it's ready. The second method has completed. Now the last but not the least method is to refill the grip series V7, V5 or V10. Whatever you want to refill, you can easily refill by this method. Let's refill this empty pen. For that, you need 3 to 4 layer tissue, a syringe, a large syringe for whiteboard, and ending whatever you want. As in this case, I like the dollar one as it is easily available and a good ink vector. I have shown a lot of times how to refill the ink in syringe. This is not a refill method for you. You can see my previous videos for that purpose. So simply, I need to open it. The most important point for that, I need a large plier. Okay, you'll see this large plier or mighty plier, and I'll place it over in order to avoid any kind of damage to the nose cone of this pen. Okay, now just a minute and this is ready. It takes time, it takes a while, but you'll get it after some time and it's a safe method. So simply after removing over the nose cone, I'll place the needle inside the pen and you'll see the ink start pouring inside and it will get refilled. Now simply take the nose cone back and slowly but gently put it inside with a mild pressure and you will see your pen will be ready. Okay, so the pen is ready and you will begin to write with it again. So in this whole video I have told you the great methods and hope you will like them. So let's summarize. In this video I have told you how to refill V-ball series, how to refill pilot V-grip series and V retractable series. I hope you like it. Kindly share it. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.